ever wondered why AI sometimes creates amazing videos and other times gives you something completely different?
The Language Practice Hub.
You don't need perfect English. Just learn the right words to communicate clearly with AI and unlock better results for the future. Why English matters for AI. Have you ever wondered why AI sometimes gives you an amazing video and sometimes gives you something completely different from what you imagined? The answer might surprise you. It's not always the AI. Sometimes it's the way we communicate with AI. And guess what language is used most often to give those instructions? English. If you can clearly explain your idea in English, you can give AI better instructions, describe scenes more accurately, control camera movements, explain character actions, choose the right style, and get much closer to the result you actually want. But don't worry. You don't need to speak perfect English. You simply need to learn how to use the right English words and sentences to communicate your ideas clearly. So, in this video, we're going to discover why English matters for AI, how better English can help you create better AI videos, and the simple English skills you can start using today. Let's get started. So, the first thing you need to understand is this. AI is powerful, but AI cannot read your mind. You may have a perfect video in your imagination. You know exactly how the character should look. You know the location. You know the lighting. You know how the camera should move. You even know the mood of the scene. But if you simply tell AI, make a video about a robot, AI has no idea what you are imagining. It has to guess. And that's where the problem begins. Imagine you want to create a video of a robot walking through a city. You type, make a video about a robot walking in a city. The result might be okay. But maybe the robot looks different from what you imagined. Maybe the city is during the day instead of at night. Maybe there is no rain. Maybe the camera angle is completely different. Maybe the robot is standing instead of walking. And you might think, AI is not good.
The first prompt is rarely perfect. But in this, simply improve the prompt step by step. The first prompt is rarely perfect. But in this studio, failure is just step one.
But wait. The real problem may not be the AI. The instruction was too unclear. Brain, now let's make it clear. Instead of saying, make a video about a robot, try something like, create a futuristic robot walking through a neon cyberpunk city at night, with heavy rain, glowing streetlights, reflections on the wet road, and a cinematic camera tracking the robot from behind. Look at the difference. The first instruction gives AI only a basic idea. The second instruction gives AI specific information. You told AI what the character is, where it is, when the scene happens, what the environment looks like, how the character moves, how the camera should move, what kind of visual style you want. Now AI has much less guessing to do. So, this brings us back to our main topic. English doesn't have to be perfect. Your English simply needs to be clear, specific, and useful. When you can clearly explain what you want, you give AI a much better chance of creating the result you imagined. So, let's quickly review everything we've learned in this video. AI doesn't read your mind, so give it clear instructions. Use simple but specific English and describe the character, the action, the location, the details, the camera movement, and the visual style. And remember, when your first result isn't exactly what you wanted, don't give up and don't think that AI is bad. Simply identify what went wrong and correct your instruction. You can tell AI, keep the same character, change only the background, make the camera move slowly, make the lighting brighter, add more details, or keep everything else unchanged. This simple process can help you communicate your ideas much more effectively. Remember this simple formula. Better English leads to better instructions, and better instructions can lead to better AI results. You don't need perfect English to use AI. You need clear English to communicate your ideas. And the good news is, clear English is a skill that anyone can learn with practice. So, if you want to create better AI images, better AI videos, better characters, better scenes, and better prompts, start by improving the way you describe your ideas. Start with simple English, think clearly, describe exactly what you want, and let AI do the rest. And if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe to Language Practice Hub for more simple and practical English lessons that can help you communicate better and use AI more effectively. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving your English. This is Language Practice Hub, where better English helps you express better ideas. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next lesson.